This week on Nothing Lasts Forever, my big adventure is all about behind the scenes at the state fair.
I'm at the fair. We got a press pass, so.
The Roadside America Museum. Finding the perfect kolache.
That's how I met my mom. That's how the love story began.
Oh, no! And find out if I can eat a corny dog in one bite. Hi, my name is Laura Lantry. I found myself on layover in the live music capital of the world, and just as the country was starting to open up again, a fortuitous cup of coffee made me realize nothing lasts forever. So I grabbed a mask, I packed up my F2 Savannah adventure cat, Xena, Agent 009, and set off to make the most of our situation. These are my adventures. Nothing lasts forever. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. This road trip adventure from Austin to Dallas included a stop in the city of West Texas, also known as the Czech Heritage Capital of Texas. And here you'll find what's known as the Kolache Trail. Our first stop, the Czeck Stop. You'll find everything kolache, from strawberry cream cheese to lemon to cherry to apple strudel and pecan rolls. And stuffed puffs with cheese and sausage, plus homemade jalapeno jellies and bacon Bavarian kraut. Endless varieties of sausage. They're open 24/7 and weekly use 407 pounds of strawberries, 1,600 pounds of cream cheese, and 8,000 pounds of flour. And if that's not what you're seeking, you're sure to find a sandwich to meet your desires. Another local favorite is Gerik's Old Czech Bakery and Pizza House, which is the perfect place to gather with friends for a beer and pizza or a sweet treat. And if you're kolache'd out, be sure to stop by the Tipsy Lion for live music. Our next stop was the Roadside America Museum, open 7 days a week by appointment only.
Memories, basically, from the 40s, 50s, 60s. Advertising memorabilia, statues. I've got the largest Grapette soda collection in existence that I know of. At this point, there's 62 different statues, like the big boys and the Looney Tunes back here, and advertising statues of all shapes and sizes. It's basically a trip back in time for older people, such as I.
And me.
It's a kind of a history lesson for the younger people. But it's just a collection of things I've been collected over many, many decades.
This year, the fair is a progressive, fair food experience. Visitors drive through the grounds picking up their fair food favorites, while still getting a sneak peek at the prize-winning livestock. And at Big Tech Circle, everyone is invited to get a socially distanced photo with Big Tech sporting his new mask.
We got one car at the stop sign, the second car goes behind the first one, and the third car, and then we have 3 people serving.
I've been here 72. My family's been here 75. We were the first ones to bring French fries to the Texas State Fair. It was in 1945. It was a novelty. Nobody knew what they were.
We've been here since 1938. My grandmother started here with her candy apple recipe in 1938. She immigrated from Ireland, and we started selling our candy apples here in 38 with my mom. She was about 18 years old, and in about 1950, my father came from Des Moines, Iowa, and he decided to try and sell corn at the State Fair of Texas. So when he gets here, it's fall now, and there's no corn. So he says, well, I need to figure this out. So they said, well, there's a little lady named Connie. Go see her because she knows all about produce because she buys apples. So that's how I met my mom. And that's how the love story began. Right. But all my life, my brother and I and my sister, we've all been in it. And now it's my son and my niece. They're in it. So it's fourth generation. Say hi, guys. Hello. So it's 4 generations that we've been out here, and hope to have 5, 6, 7. You know, this fair will be here long after we're gone. It's just, look at it. It's rock solid.
Hi, Audrey. And I'm here for Fletcher's Corny Dogs, and we've been out here at the State Fair of Texas since 1942.
Join me next week when I visit Farmersville, Texas, a content creator's dream.